Hi guys, so today I'm going to drop in and share a butter sauce that I made the other day. I had some crab legs and I wanted a really good butter sauce to sop it up with. So I came up with this and it turned out really well. So to make it, you want to go ahead and melt you some butter. You're going to add in just a little bit of olive oil also. And then you're going to add in some minced garlic and let that warm up in the butter a bit. Next, you're going to squeeze in some fresh lemon juice. Add in some sriracha, parsley flakes, paprika, salt, pepper, and Old Bay. And then you're going to add in some sweet Thai chili sauce. And that's it. Now you're just going to let that simmer for about a minute or so. You want all the flavors to marry together and become one. Now look at that. Tell me that doesn't look delicious. Girl, I tore up this crab. I tore it up. It was a little sweet, a little spicy, garlicky, buttery, it was so good. Yum.